Have you ever used VLOOKUP and gotten a not available error instead of the result you expected? The good news is that there are only a handful of reasons this happens. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact checks I go through whenever VLOOKUP returns not available. Let's fix it. The first thing to check is whether the value you're looking for actually exists in a lookup table. For example, if your formula is searching for product ID 105, but your table only contains product IDs 101 through 104, VLOOKUP can't find a match. In that case, hashtag n/a is actually the correct result. So before changing the formula, confirm that the value exists in the first place. If the value exists and you're still getting not available, the next thing to check is spaces. This is extremely common when data comes from another system, a website, or a CSV file. The value may look identical on the screen, but one version might contain an extra space at the beginning or end. To fix this mismatch quickly, follow these steps. Step 1. Create a temporary column and use the trim function to strip out the unwanted spaces. Step 2. Copy the newly trimmed data and paste it directly back over your original data column using paste as values. Step 3. Delete the temporary formula column to keep your workbook organized. Then retest your lookup formula. Next, verify that your lookup range is correct. I've seen this happen countless times. The formula looks fine, but it's searching the wrong table. Maybe the data is in columns G and H, but the formula is looking in columns K and L. In that situation, Excel isn't searching where the data actually lives. Double-check your table array and make sure it covers the correct range. Now let's talk about something many beginners don't realize. VLOOKUP can only search the first column of the selected table. If your product ID is in the second column, VLOOKUP won't find it. So if your lookup value is in column I, but your selected range starts at column H, VLOOKUP searches column H and completely ignores column I. The fix is either to rearrange your columns or use lookup instead. Another thing to check is the last argument in your formula. Whenever you want an exact match, always use false. If you leave it out, Excel assumes an approximate match, which can produce unexpected results. As a best practice, get into the habit of always ending your VLOOKUP formulas with false unless you specifically need an approximate lookup. Now here's a bonus tip. Instead of showing users a not available error, you can replace it with a friendly message. Wrap your VLOOKUP inside IFNA and display something like not found. That way your reports look much cleaner and more professional.